Alright, this is a quick review of the HAVIT HV KB366L RGB backlit mechanical keyboard. Now, the first thing you'll notice about this if you buy it is that it is not a light keyboard. It is pretty heavy for a keyboard. It's the heaviest keyboard I've ever owned. But that is not a bad thing at all. It keeps it from sliding around. So if you're gaming, you're pressing on the keys, keeps it a lot more in place than any other keyboard. And the build quality feels great. It's all aluminum up here, metal, and then feels like an aluminum around the sides as well, and then I believe the back of it is plastic. Let me go over the lighting modes real quick. So this is solid rainbow, and then if you hold FN and press the little sun icon there, you can cycle through them. Actually, first, while in rainbow mode, you can also press the lighting key by itself, and it'll turn it into marquee mode, where it scrolls right to left, or if you hold FN and press the left key, it'll scroll left to right, or right key back to from right to left, and then you can press it again to pause it if you like certain colors in a certain space. Okay, then after that, you have rainbow breathing mode, and on any of these modes you can hold the function button and do up and down to do different functions. When it's on a breathing mode like this, it'll change how fast it breathes. If it's in a solid mode like this, it'll change the brightness. There's off, low, medium, and high. When you're in your solid color mode here, you can press the lighting button again to change which color you want. Then after the solid mode is solid breathing. And again, you can change the color in this breathing mode as well. And then after that is breathing mode, where it will breathe one color and then the next, and so forth as it cycles through all the colors. And then after that is button activated lighting mode. So it looks off until you hit a button, and then whichever area you hit a button in, that kind of section will light up. If you hit a button in the same section twice, it'll actually change the color. And that is the last mode. Okay, and then there's just a couple other functions I wanted to mention. If you hold FN and press insert, you can see a 6 there. That's for the N key rollover, 6 keys. It's good for Macs, since Macs only support 6 key rollover. Or you can do the delete key, N, for a no key rollover, and that'll make it so you can press as many keys as you want. I think there was only one last function I wanted to talk about, and that was if you hold FN and press the window key, it'll actually deactivate the Windows button so you don't accidentally hit it while you're gaming. A really nice feature. And I think that's it for the different modes and buttons. I just want to talk about the keys themselves. As you can hear, it is a mechanical keyboard. These are blue switches, and it does come with a ring here that you can use to pull the keys off. Just slide it into place. Let's see if we can turn that off, get you a look at the switches there. You can see are definitely the blue switches there. They have a nice click to them you can hear. And the other thing I like about this keyboard is some of the HAVIT keyboards have a kind of a smaller enter key, but this one has a normal enter key, so I don't accidentally keep hitting the wrong button when I'm trying to hit enter. I think that's it as far as this keyboard goes. Oh, it does have a braided cord, that is braided black cord there, and then just to give you a look at the back, just a pretty plain back, but it does have, if you can see right there, some raised edges right there. So if you put the feet in, it still gives it a kind of raise, and then pull the feet out for an even larger raise. That's it. This is a great keyboard. I love gaming on it, and I will be using this as my main keyboard for a long time. It feels sturdy, like it should last me a long time as well.